Dismantling the Minangkabau treasure. Hello everybody, welcome to the Minangkabau Tuanku Mangkudun channel. Ideal Minangkabau 1. Is there an ideal Minangkabau? The answer is yes, it is. The ideal Minangkabau is the best Minangkabau in every aspect with no weaknesses at all. Therefore, it is also discussed in the realm of ideas. The ideal Minangkabau is a set of ideas about Minangkabau dreamed of by the ancestors of Minangkabau. So the ideal Minangkabau is a set of ideas, a number of plans that is compiled and used as guidelines by the ancestors to realize the dream Minangkabau. So the ideal Minangkabau is a set of ideas, the Minangkabau master plan, but not just a fantasy, because these ideas have been largely realized. Professor Sayushi Kato from Kyoto University, a sociology researcher who has discussed Minangkabau several times, stated that Tambo is a development plan of the Minangkabau people, the management plan that is in fact not the result of a dream world. The next question is, where is the ideal Minangkabau? Where is this set of ideas? Where is this master plan? Where were it stored? Is it still there? Or it have been lost in time? Now, dear viewers, we will dismantle the treasure storage area. But we must be patient, thorough, and careful. Do not destroy the container, which may be thousands of years old. Maybe the container is fragile, vulnerable, damaged. Maybe it has also been changed, falsified, stripped down by those who do not understand that it is a container, just treasure storage, so that the ideal Minangkabau is saved by the ancestors of Minangkabau. If the container has been changed or damaged, of course the contents, the treasure, is not intact anymore, maybe even damaged or broken. The set of ideas, the master plan, is a treasure that must be passed on to the Minangkabau generation in every age. The container must be very durable through all situations. The treasure must be inherited for all Minangkabau people in all places at all times. For everyone? Yes. Why? Because Minangkabau is not for kings or kingdoms, not for nobles, because there's no caste in Minangkabau. The king and his kingdom can come and go, can disappear and become extinct. But the Minangkabau cannot be extinct. Therefore, the treasure inheritance must be owned by all Minangkabau people. For all places at all times? Yes. Why? The treasure inheritance must be able to spread in all directions, in all ages, not fixed or buried in one place, on one side, or for a limited time. Dear viewers, Minangkabau is the center of the island of fraction, Pacho Island, the old name of Sumatra. The island is always shaken by earthquake because it is in the middle of a row of active volcanoes. The ring of fire, the ring of volcanoes in geological terms. Therefore, ancestors do not save or inherit the treasure in the form of temple, which are very likely to be damaged during the time and fixed in only certain places in limited space and time. So, a place to store that treasure must meet the criteria. It can be up to everyone, have resistance to earthquake, seasonal changes, or change of time. The container must be indak lakang dek paneh, indak lapuk dek hujan, meaning cannot be cracked by heat, cannot be weathered by rain. Dear viewers, the containers for storing and inheriting treasures still exist in Minangkabau and in the world today. The container is named Kato Pusako, the words of Helo. It was mentioned in speech. Gulamo mudiak kahulu, mati disemba ikan tilan, kanailah anak badabalang. Pusako ninyak nan dahulu, lai bapakai bakanakan, kini menjadi undang-undang. Gulamo fish swim upstream, that struck by tilan fish, hit by a stray chub. The old words from ancestors already used and installed, now it become lost. Kato Pusako is a complete ancestral greeting spoken. It was ordered by the Minangkabau people, which become Minangkabau law. That is the storage container as well as the treasure inheritance for the Minangkabau master plan. The container can be spread to all people in all directions, unhindered by the boundaries of places and conditions of the region. Can be passed through time, centuries, millennials, weather and season resistant. The container is not cracked by heat, not weathered by rain. There were also a number of predecessors who tried to pass down through letters, writings, menhirs, inscriptions or temples, but all of these objects have a limited size, place, amount, and many things that cause it cannot increase as a place of inheritance. Predecessors of Minangkabau chose the Kato Pusako, the utterance, as a container which has the ability to survive across time and space. A living container because it is always worn throughout the Minangkabau people lifetime. The treasure is in the container named Kato Pusako. What and how was Kato Pusako then? And how is it now? Dear viewers, see you in the next episode.